Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya, and I'm back with another recipe video after shopping with Compare Foods. I'm getting ready to show you how I make my black bean and sweet potato chorizo bowl, which is absolutely delicious. It only costs $4 per person, and it gives you 6 servings. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start by roasting our sweet potato with a little bit of Sazon and brown sugar. Next, we're gonna work on our yellow rice, which I like to use a little bit of oil so the rice does not stick, with some curry powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of vegetable bouillon. Next, I'll go ahead and chop up my veggies. I'm going to use some garlic, onions, tomato, green onion, and then we're going to saute some of that in the pan. And we're going to leave a little bit of that to the side because we're going to make a little pico de gallo later. Next, I'm going to add in my vegan chorizo. Yes, Compare Foods has vegan chorizo, and my black beans. I'm going to add a little bit of water and let this cook for about 15 minutes so all those juices can marry together, and this could be one of the most delicious things you ever had. We're going to make sure our sweet potatoes are not burning, so we're going to flip those over halfway through, and I like to cook my sweet potatoes for about 30 minutes. Next, we're going to work on our pico de gallo, and that's just adding in a little bit of jalapeno, lime, red onion, and our tomatoes, and some cilantro. Next, we're going to layer our bowls with our rice, our black bean mixture, and sweet potatoes. I like to add lettuce and a little bit of lime and that pico de gallo for the perfect recipe. And did I mention Compare Foods is giving away a $100 gift card? So make sure you follow me, follow Compare Foods, and let us know what you think about this video in the comments below. Ciao!